Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to permanently delete your Tinder account. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to permanently delete your Tinder account, first of all, open Tinder app on your phone. On the home page, you can see a small icon with your profile on top left corner of the page. Tap on your profile. Here on the leftmost portion, you can see your option for settings. So tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on delete account option at the bottom of the page. Now select either you want to purge your account so that your account is not visible to others, or you want to permanently delete your account. Tap on delete my account option. Now select a reason why you want to delete your account. Now tap on delete my account to permanently delete your account. Your account has been successfully deleted. I hope this video helped you learn how to delete your Tinder account. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box.